Hey. Hey. Yeah. Bitch name Alyssa, still I'm gone with no switch. Shots of rum in the bitch. I take the time, get me rich. Got the thoughts so intact. Dog from ground to the cat. Made a bill from a stack and shit. Got a pill for the bag. Hit that bitch from the back. Say you run with the bag. Miss my face with that shit. You say that you bring the fuck back. Say I'm always so cold. Told the story to know. In the facts that I say, I live in the north of the gold. And yeah, I'm so ashamed. Don't run, don't you run. Thinking that you ran the shit from access to the gun. Burning in the light from the motherfucking sun. My ways to the stage, told you never fucking fun. No status, no practice, stay low, never shit shown. Taking stacks for the snow, I take your bitch and she know. Moving fast through the glass, never taking niggas talk, never walk. Then I come straight back to lacing. Left that shit been dead, still you down your fucking head. Seen with stats to the racks, I go down with thoughts in the